Hey guys, welcome back. In today's video, I will be showing you how to fix Instagram chat themes change option not showing on iPhone. So let's get started. If you're unable to see the theme change options, follow these steps to fix the issue. Open your Instagram app and navigate to the Messenger. Click on any friend's chat. Look for the theme change option. If it's not visible, we'll fix it. First, make sure your Instagram app is up to date. Open your App Store. Search for Instagram. Ensure that your Instagram app is updated. If not, update it. If the problem persists, try the following. Open your device settings, scroll down and click on General, tap on iPhone storage, scroll down, find Instagram, and click on Offload app. Confirm by clicking Offload. Go back and check the theme change option is now visible. If not, proceed to the next step. Press and hold on the Instagram app icon, then click on Remove app. Reinstall Instagram from the App Store. Open the app, and now you should be able to see the theme change option. If after these steps, still the issue persists, open your Instagram app, go to your profile, and click on the three lines. Select Settings and Privacy. Scroll down and click on Help. Choose Report a Problem. Describe the issue, and make sure to mention the problem with the theme change option. Copy and paste the provided template. Hi there, I am facing the issue of the change theme option not found. Please solve this issue as soon as possible. Thanks. Include your Instagram username and email address for contact purposes. Lastly, click on Submit. This should resolve the problem. Your theme change option should be visible now. That's it for this video. I hope this video helped you out. Thank you for watching. See you again next time.